Hi, this is Vanshika Chauhan and I am working as a legal intern with Lexis & Company, and today I'll be talking about the India Justice Report of 2021. So this report was an initiative of the Tata Trusts in collaboration with various organizations such as the Center for Social Justice, Common Cause, Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative, Daksh, Tata Institute of Social Sciences Pragya, Vidhi Center for Legal Policy, and How India Lives. This edition was the second edition of the report, whereas the maiden report or the original report was announced in 2019. This report basically ranks states on different parameters, and it basically factors four major things, which are the prison reforms, legal aid, judiciary, and police. So these were the four pillars of this report. Now, this report also helps policymakers to analyze the lacunae present in policy making, and also helps them in making better policies. Further, the report divides all of the states in two major categories, which are the large and medium-sized states and the small states. So overall, Maharashtra retained the top spot on delivery of justice among 18 large and medium-sized states, followed by Tamil Nadu, Punjab, and Kerala, whereas UP has the worst delivery of justice system in India when it comes to the large and medium-sized states. Coming to the small states, Tripura was ranked as the best state in terms of delivery of justice, whereas Meghalaya was ranked as the worst one. So coming to the first part of the report, it talks about legal aid and who are the people who are entitled for free legal service. It is given basically on the website of National Legal Service Authority, also known as NALSA, and the sections of the society as mentioned under section 12 of the Legal Services Authority Act are the people who are entitled for free legal service. These are the first one being the members of scheduled castes or scheduled tribes, irrespective of their financial status. Second one being the victims of trafficking or a beggar as under Article 25 of the Indian Constitution. Third one is the child or a woman. Then a victim of a mass destruction, ethnic violence, caste atrocity, food, drought, earthquake, or industrial disaster. Further, an industrial workman is also eligible for free legal service. Then in case of Supreme Court, a person whose annual income is less than 5 lakhs is eligible for free legal service, whereas the state criteria is different for every state. Now coming to the second part of the report, it talks about women representation with respect to judiciary. So as we all know that High Court lacks representation of women as judges, and Sikkim tops the list with 33.3% women as judges. A fact to state here is that the Sikkim High Court has only 3 judges, Justice Meenakshi Madan Rai being its lone woman judge. Now, overall, 29% judges in High Court across the country are women, but no state except Sikkim has over 20% women judges. Further, since Sikkim High Court has just 3 judges and one is woman, making it 33.3%, it camouflages the reality when actually the representation of women in High Court in India is really low. Further, Andhra Pradesh has 19% representation, which is best among the large states, and in case of small states, it is Sikkim. Now coming to the subordinate courts, they have the best representation of women. When we talk about the large and mid-sized states, Andhra Pradesh has 43.6% representation, whereas in case of small states, Goa has 72% representation of women. Also, another fact to state here is that the Supreme Court has only one woman judge currently, which is Indira Banerjee, who was earlier the Chief Justice of Madras High Court. Further, 4 states, which are Bihar, Uttarakhand, Tripura, and Meghalaya, have absolutely no woman judge in the High Court, and there's only one Chief Justice currently in India, which is in Telangana High Court. Her name is Hema Kohli. So all of this tells us that the representation of women is really low in case of high courts. So this was all in the India Justice Report 2021, which was to be highlighted. Thank you.